Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 69 of Building the Batmobile from 1966. In this issue, we're starting on the seats, I believe. So, oh no, the seats are coming up soon. This is getting the interior all sort of put together from what we did before. Episode 69, of course, still season 2, The Contaminated Cowl. This was from January the 4th, 1967. The Mad Hatter is the criminal that we're looking at today. Feel free to pause and read all of the words about that if you like. Year 2 from the Great Batman Comics and 1998 from Year by Year. Looks like Skeletor. Strange. Who is it? The Reaper. Oh, okay. Don't know him. There you go. Right, so yeah, after looking at the comics, we're looking at the build. We've got some more car parts. In this phase, you assemble and install the fire extinguisher, as well as fitting the central console to the floor. So we've got 2 parts of fire extinguisher, a couple of other bits to put, some different screws. Nice, easy build with this. We're putting the light bit in, attaching that, building this fire extinguisher, attaching that, and then putting everything together onto the floor to give us a nice looking central bit ready for the seats to go in. I think we're starting that next time. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get it done. So here we have what we have. Today we've got, as I say, the fire extinguisher on pieces. Our first thing is we are fitting our interior light. We need an AFP screw for that, which will be one of those. And the other one of those will no doubt be put into our spares box or spares cup, but not quite yet. And make sure we don't need it first. So we get the screw on the screwdriver, and that is going onto the top here. It fits in from the back, just like that. And the screw will hold that together like that. Very good. Right, next up we're making the fire extinguisher. We've got the 2 parts of that to go together. Just like that. We've got the little regulatory thing. The bat fire extinguisher, of course, because it's got a bat symbol on it. So it's got to be the bat fire extinguisher. That goes on there. And it goes onto there, which goes onto there. So that goes in there like that. That will go through there and through there. And that is held in place with one of these TP screws. Yes, a TP screw will hold that in place. That lined up again. All together like that. And the screw will go through the back there. Into the back of the fire extinguisher. And that will hold everything together. Like that. Let's get that lined up and then tightened up. If I can get the screw back in the screwdriver back in the screw, should we say. There we go, secure and in place. Looking good. Right, that was that bit. Then we need to bring in the rest of it. We've got the entire surround piece here. So we need twin AP screws, apparently, for this. There's more in there, so we're going to be using more of them in a minute. So let's get, I don't mind that I've got 3 out. So this is going to go onto there, that way round. Lining up like that. And we've got 1 screw in there. And the other one in the top piece. Underneath where I've tied up those. There we go. Get those both tightened up, nice and secure. Nice. And then on the next page, we are putting this in place with 3 more AP screws. So we'll get out another couple of those as well. Leaves 1 spare, which is pretty much standard for these. And that is going onto there. Obviously getting the seat belts off to the sides. Get that lined up. It should have little places that lock in place. So we've got 1 screw in the middle. Need a screw though, that makes it much easier to put screws in. And I see my accelerator pedal has just fallen out. Not really a shock after moving it around like this. That in there, that will make sure that I've got it lined up properly. Yep, that's not going anywhere. That one there, 1 in the back. Like that. And 1 right at the front. Right in there. So I'll get those all tightened up. But that's pretty much it done. I'll pop that back in place in there. Find where that goes. There you go. That just goes in there like so. Got a platform for the Batphone gear shift. One other thing we've got to do is these little seatbelt bits just clip into the back there. Should just push in place according to the instructions. A bit like that. And this one will do the same on this side. There we go. So far, so good. It's getting there. Make sure that's... I don't like these. They're very sort of loose and not very well attached, but that'll do for now. So that's that. Ready for next time when we're starting on the seats, and we're going to get those done in this pack, in this delivery. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.